Happy Wednesday, guys. Welcome to my week of the vlog. So I'm just sitting here in the hallway at work on my break, and I was just minding my business, scrolling on my phone, getting some work done, checking my emails, and these three guys come up to me and start hitting on me like super hardcore, and now I'm scared to sit in the hallway. Okay, so just getting ready for bed, washing my face. I used like Neutrogena, it's like $5 face wash. Anyways, I was washing my face and all of it like got in my mouth for some reason, and that has never happened before. Tastes really bad. Pro tip, don't get the face wash in your mouth or in your eye, because that hurts as well, and that has happened multiple times. But in your mouth is real bad. Hi guys, so today's Thursday and just got out of class, heading to my car. And first of all, today's just been a really weird day. This week has been a really weird week. I got my new car this last week and I still am not used to it, so I keep looking for my old car. So I'm like, oh, where's my little yellow car? And I can't find it. And I'm like, oh yeah, duh, it's silver now. Okay, so this is my new car. It's so cute. I named it Gilligan, and it's so cute, and I really like it. So hi guys, so it's Friday. Me and Isaac are hanging out, and we're just going to get ice cream from Freddy's. What do you have to say, Isaac?
I love ice cream.
It's really rainy today, so we're gonna eat really fast, and then we're gonna go to the store.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go watch SpongeBob. Because SpongeBob is the best. Comment below, what's your favorite SpongeBob episode? Bye guys.
Well, it thanks to the sound of it. Yeah. She said. Smart person over here. Factor Crab! Hi!
Factor Crab.
Total crap!
Okay, we'll give you guys an update on how it goes.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah.
In England in the 1800s, hot drinks were thought to lead the drinker to suicide. Alright, so which one counts? It's fact.
Yes, we got it right.
If she gets it right, you get a token. If she gets it wrong.
Oh, I love this. Okay, you ready?
I got
it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Okay.
So much pressure. Okay.
Ready?
Do you remember which one's which?
Factor Crab.
Factor Crab.
I'm
Ready?
gonna hold it up.
Set.
Okay, wait.
Go. A group of jellyfish is a smurf or a fluffer.
A fluff. Fact.
Fact!
Yes.
Gwyneth Paltrow is 5'11" and half inches tall.
Fact.
Crap.
Dang it.
Stuart Clufflight is the fifth Beatle.
Crap.
Fact.
Dang it.
All birds lay eggs and make nests.
Fact.
Crap.
Dang it.
It is possible to make concrete on the moon.
Crap.
Crap. No, it's fact.
This is what my Saturday looks like. Oh no, I got some on my finger. I don't know what this will do, but I've heard really good things, so I'm gonna try it out. I'll let you know. Okay guys, so my newest investment in photography came today, and I'm so excited about it. So it's called a Holga, but it's a really old film camera, and originally it was used as like a toy camera. It's all made of plastic, as you can hear, and including the lens. So the lens is plastic as well. So it's just like gives a really unique look, and photographers started using it, and then it kind of became like iconic. Since they were so cheap, professional photographers just latched onto them, and then it became a thing, and now professional photographers use them all the time, and it's really cool. So I got one, and I'm really excited to use it. My film came, and I'm in a color class right now, color film. So I'm using some color film, and you have to use different film. Most color film is like 35mm. This film is longer, so it's called 120, and it just fits in the little camera like so. So yeah, but I'm gonna go talk to my professor and have him help me like set it up and everything. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with this yet, but I'm really excited about this. I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys! Hi! So we're at a hockey. We're at a hockey. That was rude. We're at a hockey game right now.
Can I have my hat back?
No, you threw it on me, so you don't get it back. Haha. Okay. Anyways, we're at a hockey game. Say hi, everybody. They're not saying hi. Okay, whatever. Bryce is a mummy.
I thought you take the picture.
You know, just having fun. Anyways, we are at a hockey game, like I said, multiple times. Just having fun. We had 2 points. We're winning. We're doing good. Yeah, we're doing good. But we'll keep you updated and let you know how it goes. Don't get it back. Okay, so these little free towels came on our seats, and I'm gonna do a demonstration of all the things you can do with them. Okay, so first one is a blindfold, like this. Second one is a ninja.
Same thing.
It's not the same thing. Okay, second or third. This is third. Is you can do a guitar. So you gotta hold it and then you can rock out like that. And then, oh yeah. Then you can do a headband like so. Up top, you can do an ascot like this. Tie it nice like that.
Fans is coming to the ice and join us to St. James for tonight's Summit Dental Shootout.
Just like that. There's a couple. What other things do we have?
Hockey players like that.
Like this.
Yeah, Joel!
Oh yeah, I don't know how to do that, but like the motorcycle. Oh yeah, a napkin. Wipe out your face. I think that's about it. A bib. You're right. It's a bib. Like this, a fancy bib.
Okay, you got the split there.
The other thing you can do is make it into some
Oh,
curves.
you sit here and disappointed if you don't get this. Don't press it, Joel. Come on. Just like
That is all. Okay, do you see this? What is this? The rain. That's what it is. It's been raining so much. And every time, like the little misty rain comes, my hair instantly just like frizzy. Do you see this? Look how frizzy. It's ridiculous. Y'all, I do love it when it rains. I don't mind it. But I could live without the frizz. See, it's so frizzy. So frizzy. If you have a cure for frizzy hair, let me know. Because I don't know what to do. It's ridiculous. Thanks for watching this week, guys. I know it was a little slow. I didn't have a ton of filming done this week just because it was a crazy week. So a lot of things going on, lots of fun things, lots of crazy things, but lots of good things. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, for following along on the vlog. Yes. Words not coming to me today. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys are the best. Have a great week. Bye.